The SAM indicator, a special model in the ICT style, is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and the entire board, MetaTrader 5 platforms, and run it on the Bosch chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand the functionality and operation of the indicator. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, it begins to display buy and sell signals on the price chart. The Sun Model indicator is a special tool designed using ICT concepts, allowing traders to identify trend changes in the market. This indicator can only be used on a 5-minute time frame and issues its first signal based on the liquidity identifier of the 1-hour time frame. For example, in this section, as the price moves upwards and then returns downwards, which is a price correction, it enters a liquidity zone in the 1-hour time frame. And upon exiting this zone, the first signal is issued for us. After that, we wait for the second stage, which is the break of structure and the change in trend nature, where an MSS has formed for us here. In the third stage, we wait for the price to pull back to an FVG zone, where an FVG zone has formed for us here. With the price returning to this zone and exiting the FVG zone, a buy signal is issued for us. And here you can see various examples of the signal. In the settings section, under the input part, there is only one option available for us, where we can set the number of candles for identifying and calculating buy and sell signals. By default, it is set to 1,000 candles, which calculates up to 1,000 candles on the chart and displays the start of the calculation with a vertical line. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.